Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a super straightforward topic: how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase to your Coinbase wallet. This process is quick, safe, and essential for keeping your funds under your direct control. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I've got you covered in this step-by-step guide. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Exchange app and the Coinbase Wallet app installed on your device. Start by opening the Coinbase app and logging into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say you're moving some Bitcoin. Next, tap on the specific asset, like Bitcoin, and look for the Send or Transfer option. This is where you'll enter the destination. Now, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet app. In the Wallet app, go to the Receive section to generate a wallet address for the same cryptocurrency. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Head back to the Coinbase app, paste the wallet address into the Send to field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. You'll see a confirmation screen with details like network fees and estimated time. In 2025, Coinbase might have updated features like faster networks or enhanced security prompts, so keep an eye out for those. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication. Once the transfer is initiated, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the network congestion. Check your Coinbase Wallet app to confirm when the funds arrive. And there you have it. That's how you securely move your crypto. Remember, always prioritize security by using official apps and verifying addresses. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.